Hello everyone, my name is Kevin, and today I'm gonna talk about the twin of the bacteriophage. But do you ever watched my previous video about the bacteriophage? You know it's a virus that kills bacteria, right? But the other twin, you think it also has the same abilities like the bacteriophage? Well, no. Today we're going to learn about the twin of the bacteriophage, the virophage. Well, bacteriophage means it kills bacteria, but you you probably know that the word viral means virus. This means it's the virus that kills the virus that eats the amoeba. But that part that I'll tell you soon. Okay? So first, let's learn about what is a virophage. Virophages are viruses, not quite alive, not quite dead. They also need a host to survive, like the bacteriophage, but they do not have leg-like fibers and a tail to puncture their DNA. But they attack in a more weird motion, and it is more confusing, but I'll tell you that soon. So wait, you've already heard the word gyrus, right? So you must be wondering, what is a gyrus? Well, a gyrus is a giant virus that is that normally hunts good amoeba, or they hunt your cells. Well, they multiply by first. They do not they they do not put their DNA inside the cell just like other viruses, but they get inside, not putting the DNA, but they get inside and multiply themselves. And then the cell becomes a virus factory, or I'll call it the gyrus factory. So how does a virophage have the ability to multiply itself? Well, first, it needs to find a host, mostly mammals. So then, when they find a host, they will attack the giant viruses in them. Well, they can attack giant viruses just like they can attack the Mimi virus. Here you can see in this image that the Ma virus is attacking the Mimi virus. Well, the Mimi virus is the first giant virus discovered. And know how does it multiplies? Oh, and here's how it multiplies. When it multiplies, it's like a non-living thing hunting another thing that kills another thing. That doesn't make sense either. Right? Right? See? How could a thing hunt a thing that hunts a thing? It doesn't make sense. It's nonsense. Well, but to but to the virophage, it makes sense. Do you know why? I'll explain you quickly about this. First, the virophage gets inside the giant virus. When the giant virus find a host cell, then it multiplies inside. But it just can just multiply a little bit of the viruses, and most of them are completely broken. Well, they will multiply inside more virophages than giant viruses. Whoa! Now that makes sense, right? So then the cell explodes. But that does a little damage for your cells, because when the giant viruses hunt, they kill your cells. That means that the danger rating is higher. But it also hunts amoeba. That means we cannot know that if it's hunting a cell or amoeba, right? So the danger is medium, I think. Well, the virophage, it hunts viruses. Viruses. Well, bacteriophages just hunt bacteria. Also, the virophages don't have leg-like fibers actually. They don't even have a tail. They just have one head. Out of one icosahedron. It is a sort of dice with 20 faces and 30 edges. I'd already told you in the previous video, right? And now, so there's some news for you today. Virophages have been used for cure to cure viral diseases. Well, they're used to cure mostly from the Mimi virus or Mama virus. And also, it is no longer experimental. That's why it is now used in the um in emergency if you got a virus into your body. Because scientists already checked the DNA of these tiny creatures, and they found out that they have no weaknesses, and almost no weaknesses, and also they can hunt thoroughly. That means that when it already multiplies, it will multiply again immediately, rapidly. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe us, and don't forget to hit the doorbell button and follow us in the channel So to Grow. Bye bye. See ya.